Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds, compact, comfortable, and stylish for everyday listening. Enjoy powerful JBL Pure Bass with deep lows and clear, balanced sound. With active noise canceling, a secure fit, long battery life, and enhanced call clarity, these earbuds deliver a smooth, reliable, and immersive experience for music, calls, and daily use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, technical specifications. Talking about the design, these are in-ear true wireless earbuds that provide a secure and comfortable fit for everyday use. In terms of build, they come in a compact form with an IP54 rating, offering protection against dust and light splashes. For audio, you get 8mm dynamic drivers that deliver deep bass along with clear and balanced sound. Looking at the weight, each earbud is just 4.3 grams, while the case weighs 41 grams, making the total weight 49.6 grams. Lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. When it comes to noise cancellation, these earbuds feature active noise cancellation, along with ambient-aware and talk-through modes for better awareness when needed. For latency, it offers standard performance, which is perfectly fine for everyday listening and casual use. The touch controls are responsive and easy to use, allowing you to manage music, calls, and features effortlessly. On the connectivity side, you get Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a stable and efficient wireless connection. It also supports Bluetooth profiles, including A2DP 1.4, AVRCP 1.6.2, and HFP 1.8 for smooth audio and call performance. The fit style includes in-ear silicone tips, giving you a snug and secure fit for long listening sessions. Talking about battery life, you get up to 10 hours of playback with ANC off, up to 8 hours with ANC on, and up to 40 hours total with the charging case. And finally, for charging, it uses a USB-C port, taking around 2 hours for a full charge, along with speed charging support when you're in a hurry. Product features. Designed with a compact and lightweight in-ear form, these earbuds feature soft silicone tips that provide a snug and secure fit. They sit comfortably in your ears without causing pressure or fatigue, making them ideal for long listening sessions, workouts, or daily use while staying firmly in place even during movement. Powered by 8mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver deep, punchy bass, clear vocals, and well-balanced audio across a wide range of content. With active noise canceling, you can effectively reduce unwanted background noise for a more immersive listening experience, while ambient sound modes like ambient aware and talk through let you stay aware of your surroundings or have quick conversations without removing the earbuds. These earbuds offer up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge with ANC turned off and up to 8 hours with ANC on. The charging case extends the total battery life up to 40 hours, giving you reliable, all-day performance, whether you're traveling, working, or enjoying continuous entertainment without frequent charging interruptions. Featuring Bluetooth 5.3, these earbuds ensure faster pairing, a strong and stable wireless connection, and improved power efficiency. You also get smooth, low-interruption performance with minimal dropouts, along with reliable call quality and easy switching between devices for a seamless everyday user experience. How to wear. Begin by selecting the silicone ear tips that best fit your ears. JBL Vibe. Beam earbuds come with multiple sizes, so you can pick the one that offers the most comfortable and secure fit. A proper seal not only enhances comfort but also improves sound quality, giving you deeper bass and clearer audio. It also helps block outside noise naturally, so you can enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Gently place the left, L, and right, R earbuds into your respective ears. Make sure the markings match each ear to ensure proper stereo sound. If necessary, twist the earbuds slightly while inserting so that the tips sit securely in your ear canal. This ensures the earbuds stay in place during daily activities, workouts, or commuting. Once in place, check that the earbuds feel stable but not too tight. The main body should rest comfortably in the outer ear, while the tip lightly seals the ear canal. You can make small adjustments by rotating or shifting the earbuds slightly until they feel snug and secure. This will prevent slipping and provide the best sound experience. How to pair? Download the JBL Headphones app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. This app gives you full control over your earbuds, allowing you to customize touch controls, adjust sound settings, and access useful features like ambient aware and talk through for situational awareness. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. They will power on automatically. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to the Bluetooth settings and search for JBL Vibe Beam 2. Tap to connect, and you'll hear a confirmation tone indicating the earbuds are successfully paired. This ensures your device is ready to stream music, podcasts, or handle calls. After pairing, open the JBL app and add your earbuds to the app to complete the setup. From there, you can explore features, update firmware if needed, and fine-tune your audio experience. Make sure the earbuds fit comfortably in your ears, and test all controls to ensure they respond as expected. Once setup is complete, the earbuds will automatically reconnect to your device whenever powered on, giving you a seamless listening experience every time. How to charge. To charge your earbuds, plug the USB-C cable into the charging port located on the bottom of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build. The JBL Vibe Beam 2 earbuds feature a compact, lightweight in-ear design with an IP54 rating, making them dust and splash resistant for everyday use and outdoor activities. In contrast, the CMF Buds Pro 2 have a more premium glossy and matte finish with an IPX4 rating, which protects against sweat and light rain but is slightly less dustproof. While JBL prioritizes durability and ruggedness, CMF focuses on a stylish and sleek appearance. In terms of sound, the JBL Vibe Beam 2 delivers deep, punchy bass and well-balanced audio across highs and mids, with active noise canceling and ambient sound modes like ambient aware and talk through. The CMF Buds Pro 2 also supports ANC and multiple sound modes, but emphasizes vocal clarity and high-frequency detail. Additionally, CMF includes a low-latency mode for gaming, while JBL focuses on immersive bass and versatile listening experiences. JBL is bass-rich and versatile. CMF is crisp, clear, and latency-friendly. The JBL Vibe Beam 2 offers up to 10 hours of playback with ANC off, 8 hours with ANC on, and up to 40 hours total with the charging case. They use Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable connectivity and smooth multi-device switching. CMF Buds Pro 2 provide around 7 hours of playback per charge, 28 hours total with the case, and Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable connections. While JBL provides longer battery life and newer Bluetooth, CMF still offers solid performance with slightly shorter usage but effective connectivity. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.